Look, so these tutorials might seem really polished and I did it in one take every time. I promise you that's not the case. Just check this out.
And action.
Beard and brow. Step 3, use the brush. Step 2, I forgot what step 2 is. Should I do it all again? Step 2, simple product that has a, okay. Step 2, okay. Step 1, make it sound, no. Step 2, first off in this, give you a more defined, you know, fill in those gaps in your beards and take the pencil and start to fill out, take the pencil to fill it, with a quite light motion. No. Use the brush on the back of the comb. This brush is used to blend it out. So you learn. Step 3, that I promised you will give you a great look and a bigger. So step 1, take the product out of the pocket, pump quite a few times for the cater at the end. Any areas of concerns. This can be. Step 3, now you need to blend. Oh, spat, so I'll do that again. Step 3, now you need to blend. You can easily use. Step 3, you now need to blend. You can easily use. Oh my God, come on down. Okay, so the concealer pen is one of our. So trust me, that was just a few outtakes for just 2 products. But look, with the magic of the guys behind the camera, this is how it looks. Now I'm going to talk about the concealer pen, an amazing universal product that fits in your pocket. The concealer pen is a real product that you can use for pretty much anything in terms of coverage. Used for acne, scarring, blemishes, redness, pretty much anything you want. I promise it's really easy to use. So step 1, take the product and pump it until the product comes out at the end. This can take a few pumps, but trust me, it'll be worth the wait. Step 2, take the product and apply to any areas of concern. This can be anywhere from under eyes, blemishes, scarring, pretty much anything. Step 3, now you need to blend. You can use your finger or a sponge and it's really simple. Just start to blend the product out till it's nice and even and it's not noticeable. If you blend it too much, just reapply some more product and do the process again. So the concealer pen is one of our favourite products and it's one of our best sellers. That's because it's really easy to use, and if you're a first time user, I'll definitely suggest starting with this. So go and check it out and give it a go. I mean, oh, okay. Oh, my mic's falling.